Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 6th of March. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. And you are not shoveling. Are you disappointed that I thought maybe we'd get a coating to an inch or two of snow or even more off toward the north and it's mostly rain? I hope not. One of the things I said yesterday was this was one of those bust forecasts. And, I just had low confidence in the fact that we were going to cool off. Like some of the models were really keeping us quite cool and other models were keeping it mostly wet. But there was a majority of the guidance which was bringing in that cold air with that heavy precipitation, and we were probably 1 or 2 degrees away from just seeing wet, sloppy snow. So the good news is we didn't. So here we go. We're on to the rest of the day now. Some of you did see a little bit of snow well north and west of the city, especially into New Hampshire and Maine. A couple of rain and snow showers today. Most of that before noontime. There could be a little bit of drizzle thereafter. Temperatures will only be in the low to mid 30s. It's going to be a chilly day. If you did see a little bit of snow accumulation, for those of you listening further north, just a coating to an inch or so is all that's going to be. Now, overnight tonight, temperatures should actually stay right around or just above freezing. So I don't expect much in the way of icing, but you can see a little bit of black ice in the morning. So just be aware of that. On Saturday, a little bit of drizzle, maybe a shower. Temperatures are going to be near 50. At best, most of us will be in the 40s. Sunday, kind of murky in the morning, then partly sunny, temperatures in the 50s. We're going to really warm up here, though, as we head for Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures getting into the low to mid 60s. We'll see a tremendous amount of melting because temperatures are going to be at or a little above freezing before we get into the 60s. So the snowpack itself, which has a temperature, is warming up. So the snowpack is getting ripe for melting. And I'm going to look at the temperatures. I'll put something out on social media as to what those snow temperatures look like. But I do think that we're going to see a significant amount of the snowpack really start to disappear here by the time we get to Wednesday or so of next week. Have a great weekend, everybody.